This is the beginning of City Palace, the City Palace gate, very ornate with a prominent Muslim features on the arches and very bustling. Lot of crowd today is Sunday, and I entered through this gate here. Another gate you go through, and this seems to be a part of a big courtyard, a really big courtyard. Sabha Niwas or Royal Hall, where king used to meet with dignitaries. Beautiful, very ornate. These are marble pillars, very traditionally dressed people of the palace here. From another angle, I went around this beautiful Raj Darbar, and truly king appropriate in every fashion. Courtyard here, very beautiful, and the building here houses the biggest silver jar in the world, I think they claim. It was ordered by Maharaja Singh when he was to go to England. He wanted to carry the water, so it weighs about 485 kilos. Massive. And they made it. This is extremely beautiful Pritam Niwas area of this palace. And this is how it looks. And it has 4 doors, each representing a season. And there are 2 doors on each wall. So this is the first door here. Peacock door, and there is another door, and above each door you have a canopy, and this pattern repeats. So this is the second door. It's a rose petals, I think. Yeah, of a lotus. And then there is a door here, right here with the canopy above, and there's one on the other side that is here. So very beautiful, very beautiful. There's an exhibition going on here today. The picture is simply stunning, so beautifully done. Let's take another look. No words are needed to describe this unbelievable, beautifully structured complex Pritam Niwas. Last part of this City Palace Jaipur is Mubarak Mahal or Welcome Palace. And this is the central structure of it. It's marble, very beautiful door arches, again marble columns, and one can see the artistry here. Currently inside they have a museum, and they displayed those clothes inside of this building. It's part of a big courtyard.